And stop playing with me, bro. Please. Just stop it. Look at this.
All right. Get her on there. Come on.
Look at them fingers, bro. Is you kidding me, bro?
All right.
That's ridiculous.
All right. I just did that. That was me. I should be using the other side of the phone, but that's
Oh my goodness. What? That's disgusting, bro. That's disgusting. Okay. Nobody ever do this.
Yes, sir.
Just getting all types of subscribers. Let's go. Welcome or welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing a Doordash video. We got dashers out here that's just doing whatever they want. They just doing whatever. Now, hopefully all the audio is coming in good. Hopefully it's not too loud in your eardrum. But man, we got to talk about this, guys, because it's pretty horrible out here. We got dashers out here delivering food, accepting unacceptable orders, you know, saying that they don't understand why they're not making money, and they out here just practicing unsanitary delivery practices. It's just ridiculous. And we just can't let this happen. We just cannot let this happen in the community. I can't let it happen, that's for sure. I see you out there delivering with dirty hands. I'm about to say something, and I'm about to let everybody know. Wash your hands before you go out there and deliver, or you might just look stupid like this. And the sad part is, like, I actually love doing this. That's the sad part. Like, I actually love doing this. So when I see somebody talk and run their mouth and then they do something stupid, it's just my perfect opportunity to let them know that, one, I'm going to quickly make a response to what you do. But for two, I want the whole community to see, look, don't do this right here. Because if you seen that thumbnail and if you see them fingers right there, I would not want them fingers anywhere near my Doordash bag, yo. Do you see that? Do y'all see that? Bruh. Bruh, that man got, I don't know what that is up under them fingernails, but I'm not about to sit here and guess and hope that it's not something nasty. Because that his fingernail is the color of my skin. It's the color of my beard. What is going on up under that fingernail? I need to know. I need to know. And I need to know who approved this man to deliver food. But that's what we're here to talk about today. You know, this is a monetized stream, you know, so we're going to be getting all the AdSense off of this video. But we did speed it up a little bit, and we threw a couple FDA logos up there just so I can make it my own. You know what I'm saying? But I had to let the community know that this is not what you want to do when you out there delivering, especially you out there going for top dasher, you out there trying to get into these programs, you trying to be a content creator, you trying to like do your thing. You got to wash your hands. You got to wash your hands. You got to get up under them fingernails, okay? You got to scrub, and you might have to get you one of them, you know what I'm saying? Or you hit the other side and you do you one of them, but you cannot be out here with dirty ass fingernails and have the audacity to say you finna make a ride along. No, it's not happening. Like, I'm making this right now. I couldn't even wait till tomorrow. I said, you know what? Hold up. I was finna wait till tomorrow, but this cannot wait because this man might wake up and do a delivery, and I gotta let him know, bruh, wash your hands, okay? Wash your hands, and anybody that watched that video, I need you to wash your hands because I feel dirty for just watching it. When he tapped the screen, I said, oh my God, what is that up under his fingernail? What is wrong with him? He out here bad, y'all. I'm like, this man then. I downloaded his video. That mug was in 320p. I said 320p? What the hell is he recording with? A Nokia? I mean, I ain't out here to judge. I encourage everybody to be a content creator, but hold on, you got to wash your hands before you worry about recording. And if you're going to record in 320p, at least wash your damn fingernails. Like, what is you out here doing, man? What is you doing? Oh my God, you thought I was gonna let that slide? Hell no. Hell no. You just out here smoking cigarettes back to back, just puffing the mugs. You just puffing the mug, you ashing all in the Doordash bag. Fingernails look like you just got done climbing the Grand Canyon. This man, he out here. he out here. He is out here, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. Okay. I went to the, man, I don't know what possessed him to upload that. I said, he ain't even looking back at the footage. He ain't even look back at none of the footage. Because ain't no way you didn't see that big dark ass black line running through your fingernail. Like, ain't no way. What are you scratching? How many days have you went without washing your nails for you to accumulate that much black gunk up under your nails, bro? Like, I'm not having it. I'm not. And you didn't went and picked up somebody Cracker Barrel? You smoking cigarettes all the way there and all the way to their house. And it's just big black stains up under your nails. What's going on? What is going on out here, Doordash? Please, somebody stop this madness, bro. This man better not ever upload a video with dirty fingernails like that. It's no excuse. You could have went inside crack. This man picked up an order with fingernails like that. You could have went in there, washed your hands, then picked up the order. This man delivered one order in 30 minutes with dirty fingernails. I couldn't let it slide, y'all. I could not let it slide, man. I said, this man had the audacity. He had the audacity to upload that shit. And he gonna block out the customer information. You should have blocked out them nails. Do y'all see them nails? Bro. Hey, this is crazy. This literally made my head hurt. You know how you see something and as soon as you see it, it make your stomach hurt? I saw this. I was like, I'm gonna click on the video because of course, you know, he done posted his first ride along. I was happy for him. I was actually happy for him, y'all. I was happy. I seen the ride along. I said, oh, he posted a 30-minute video. Let's go. Like, this is what I like to see. I don't care if we out here got differences of opinion. You know, I don't care about that. But when I see you level up and you start to go from doing one thing to doing the next thing in addition and is leveling up what you're doing, I dig it. I was excited to see the video, y'all. I was excited. I got to the 13-minute mark. Y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I was watching the whole video, okay? I was watching the whole video. It got to the 13-minute mark after he picked up the order. This man fingernails look like he just got done scratching a Bigfoot booty hole. What? Where have you been today? Did your fingernails look like that? It makes no sense. How many cigarettes are you smoking that you didn't accumulate yellow stains up under your nails to where they didn't turn black? What are you scratching? Why are you scratching yourself out doing deliveries, man? Why? Why are you doing that? You picking up food. The order says $7 for 9 miles and you scratching your arm all the way there smoking a cigarette. I couldn't believe it, man. Don't do this, guys. Look, I know that was long-winded. I know that was a lot. But I had to start it off with that. Like, I put it right at the mark on the video where you see them nasty, dumb, nasty fingernails. Like, what are you doing? Just nasty. Picking up somebody's Cracker Barrel. I'm like, oh, my God. This man went in the Cracker Barrel. Just wait till y'all see how he looked in the video. And I mean, I really hate to give the publicity, but man, it's more like, look, it's more like public awareness at this point. Whoever is in this man market, if you see his name on the order, you better think twice because that man's hands is dirty as hell. And I hope he see this video and I hope he's somewhere washing his hands very vigorously right now with a nail brush. Matter of fact, just go ahead and go get a whole manicure, bro. It's over. It's over, bro. Like, it's over. You cannot post you had them people food for 30 minutes in your car. With fingernails like that? Bruh. It looked like he just got done working on a damn car. You see this finger? Hold on, let me go to the video. You see this finger? Y'all see this finger right here? That one's super dirty. Then you see this one? You see that big black thick line up under that fingernail? Bruh. Are you kidding me right now? Are you literally kidding me? Every single one of this man's fingernails is dirty as hell. And he got the nerve to talk about anybody in the gig economy? This man had, oh my God. All right, look, so this is what we finna do. Y'all see them fingernails. We finna go ahead and run this all the way back. I done sped his video up so it go a little bit faster. We not finna watch the whole thing. We just finna see. Like, I was excited. And even though it's a little bit cringe, even though it's not really a great ride along, it's not supposed to be great. It's his very first one. I wasn't even finna give him any, negative marks when it came to the production quality, the audio quality, the any of that. We know he ain't trying to edit. You know what I'm saying? And I get that. I'm not one of them content creators like, oh, you have to do it this way or that. Do it your way. I appreciate however way you give it to us. But you was not finna give me some dirty ass fingernails talking about you delivering some Cracker Barrels 10 miles away. I saw this man smoke 3 cigarettes back to back. Nah, man. Nah. Hell nah. And then you got people watching him. If y'all don't wash y'all hands, ain't nobody in the comments say nothing about his dirty ass fingernail. Ain't nobody in his whole comment section on that video. He got 100 views in the first hour, and I'm happy. I'm happy. He got some traction. He got some views in the first hour. I'm happy. But how is all your people in that video, and none of them said nothing about your dirty ass fingernails, bro? That is literally ridiculous. If they don't tell you, I will happily tell you, bro. Your wife didn't tell you. Nobody told you. They just let you run out the house with them dirty ass nails. Nah, bro. It's not happening.
Well, I guess we start off here. I'm gonna shoot back into freeze, which I thought was a great idea. And I thought I'd set an example of what he's actually referring to.
This man got gassed up. He didn't even want to do a ride along. Did y'all hear that? He didn't even want to do a ride along. Somebody else got up in his head. Y'all know my thumbnail picture, the picture I use for all my thumbnails. Somebody got up in his head, convinced him that he was the one to do a ride along. Do it. Do a ride along. But wash your damn hands. Like, what? Look. This man got every flavor tank top in the galaxy. I thought I had the tank tops. He got me beat on tank tops. What? This man got all the tank tops. What the hell is going on?
Because if you can do this, there's no more discussion.
Hey, let me know in the comments. Look, who would you rather have delivering your DoorDash? Let me know right now. Somebody who kick your bag if you don't tip enough. Somebody who confront you if you don't tip enough. Or somebody who don't wash their hands before they come out and dash. Or no telling how long they done been since they washed their hands. And look at that hair. I'm not even finna get on that hair. But we just talking about the fingernails. Who do you want delivering your food? Let me know that in the comments. Because this is crazy.
Transparency. So here I am.
Credibility. Did this man just say credibility? I know he did not just say credibility. Bruh, I'm about to lose. I'm about to lose my mind. Did this man really just say credibility? His fingernails look like